Hello Jim, TechBuzz, new product in from Ezviz, and it's their battery powered video doorbell kit, and it comes with a solar panel, 2K by 1080p dual lenses. There's your Chime as well, extended Wi-Fi, built-in 32 storage, which is excellent, and ultra wide dual lens as well, so that's nice to see. This is what it has here on the side: package detection, colour, night vision, solar, support solar power and weatherproof design. Now, how the solar would work here in Ireland remains to be seen, because it's done nothing but rain for the last month. And where my door is, it's got a canopy on top, and the solar panel may not work, but we'll have a look at it and see what it's like before we talk about that. But let's see what we get in the box and what the stuff looks like. I suppose it's the best thing to do. Rightio, so we've got one box, two box, and that's pretty much the whole lot there. So this is the Smart Chime Pro, which we will need, and we'll get this unboxed. Still haven't found my unboxing knife. Right, so that's it. Of course, you've got your app. This is the CH1 compatible with Ezviz standalone battery powered video doorbells, and extend your Wi-Fi signal, and multiple ringtones available, so that's good to see. A couple of ringtones on it, and just pull that paperwork out of the way there. Right, doesn't want to come out. So that's the Chime, and it's a 2-pin plug, and that's pretty much it. You just plug it in and connect to your bell. Here is the paperwork here, and we'll just get this one open. You can have a look at that. So that's it there, and here's the main product. Now, on this side, PIR motion detection, ultra wide field of view, IR night vision, 5200 mAh battery, 65 IP rated, anti-tamper, two-way talk, works with the Chime, and supports 2.5 Wi-Fi. So that's pretty much it on the box there. Let's have a gander at this. So you get your little booklet inside. This looks like the main doorbell. We'll just put that there for a sec and see what else is in here. So we've got all this. And here is the rest. Right, so you've got some stickers there, which is nice. This is one to your doorbell, the wired holder on, your screws, and the main bell itself. That's it, nice chunky size. Charging in here, speaker here, nice finish. Here's more cameras down here in the bottom, and that's pretty much it there. You've got a power button here, and that's that. Right. Of course, you've got your wedge, and I think that's pretty much it there. Here is the little solar panel, which is kind of handy, but you know, the likes of these be whipped off your door. So we'll see charger here, and that's pretty much it. So this is a mount you can have at either angle, either side, or just flat. Mine is at an angle. The current that I have on the door is going to be replaced by this, so we'll be using that, and it is at an angle because it takes a view of the garden as well. Right, so that's basically what we have in the box here, and we need to get charging, I guess, and get it set up and running. We come back then, look at the app and all the features on it and everything else that you get with it. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you shortly. Okay, so want to check out the app for this new Ezviz door and chime. Put it up at a neighbour's house. So this is what we've got here. So you got your armed on top, quick look, multi-screens, automation, add your device up here. Now multi-screens is because this camera has got a couple of screens, which is excellent. So if we go in here, you can come in here and see you've got the top half and got the bottom half in there, and you can view them in different ways in different panes. So in your image settings, you've got your WDR, distortion, correction, black, white, night vision. Auto recommend switching between night and day, colour, OSD, and logo watermark in there. In your audio settings, you've got your doorbell ring sound, which we'll look at in a minute. Voice changing intercom settings. You can change between uncle tone and clown tone, or you can record your own. And reminder for sound detection if you need to be. You got your light settings, which is a doorbell indicator, which you can turn that on and off. Another way it'll pulse. And you've got your speaker settings. You've got your chime type, repeater mode, and other modes. So you got mechanical chime, electronic chime. So that's what we'll be doing with this. Your ring time in here, up to 5 to 10 seconds. So we'll just put it up a little bit more. And you've got your ding dong sound and your mechanical chime in there. So this comes with a solar panel as well. It's not going to work here, but it just simply attaches on and it gives you some juice. But different areas have different views of the sun, not that we get much here. So you've got your battery here, standard wake up settings, power saving, configure working mode in there, and that's pretty much it. Your record list in there, and that's pretty much all. You've got intelligent detection as well, human shape, and you've got package, which is beta in apply. You have to apply for that, and your wake up settings. So that will determine how long before it wakes up. You can leave it there so it can pick up something quickly or a little bit less quickly. In effect, it turns the sensitivity down. Okay. So if we go in here, we will go into the live view. And in here you can see your view. Top small window, bottom, top and bottom, and bottom and small. So we're going to move on to this. So you can see here you've got the bottom part inside. But if you go in here, you can do a snapshot, you can record, you can pinch the zoom up to 8x, like so. You can remove that or put it back in, which I think is nice. And that's basically it in there. So you can speak through this and you can hear back, so it's two-way talking. We'll have a sample of that as well. It was just that we're got it set up, was nice, and we want to get moving on it. And here's our talk, so we'll get a sample of that in a minute. Your definition, quad HD, full HD and high def. Nearby devices, so you've got your multi-screens in there as mentioned earlier, and you've got your snapshot, so you can take an image or video from this here, and again you can pinch the zoom like so, and that's it. This is a nighttime sample for you anyway, to give you an idea of what it's going to look like and what to expect. So that's pretty much it in there, and you can see you get free cloud if you want to do so, or you can sign up for more, but there's onboard storage free, which is good. And you can switch between cloud and your card here, which is on board, and that's pretty much it for the night. So we're going to give you a nighttime sample next. This is what the doorbell is going to look like at night. Let us know what it looks like. This is what the doorbell will look like at the night. The infrared lights there. You can see the cameras down on the bottom and up on top. Hello Sim, and we're back. We're going to give you a look at this now at the daytime. So you've got the front door here. So first up, we'll have a look at the app itself. So you've got your battery in here. You've got your intelligent detection, which is human shape detection and package detection. Wake up settings as well. So you've got a loitering period and sensitivity. So we go back out of this. You've got your message notification here. You've got your received voice message, human shape, package details, device message interval, device minor plan, Ezviz notification, answer doorbell call, tamper notification and offline notification in there. Audio settings. Reminder sound for detection, doorbell ring sound and audio, and voice changing intercom. So in here you can make your own. And we'll just do that. So you can see what options that gives you there. Go back out of this. Image settings. You've got VWR, distortion correction, black, white, night vision, all that stuff in there. Force and night mode, day mode, OSD, and logo and watermark. So you can change all these as well. We'll show you more in a second. You've got your light settings in here, doorbell indicator, and your speaker settings. So you've got chime type, repeater mode and linked mode. So that's for your electronic chime, and it'll just ding dong as it is now. And you've got your record list in here, privacy settings, network device and share device, all that stuff, your cloud and all that in there. So then you go into the live view. So you can speak, record, take a screenshot, a snapshot, change your views. So you've top, small window, bottom and small. And of course your top and bottom view. You can still zoom in from the top there. And that's live now. You can hear that it's peeing rain. Like so. And that's pretty much that. And you can get your snapshot, record, view, talk, definition. You can change that to quad, full or high def. Nearby devices, tips and rearrange. So you go into rearrange, you can just rearrange whatever devices that you have in there. So that's basically what you've got inside that and what it's going to look like. And overall it's a pretty good camera. It's pretty snappy as well, no problem missing alerts or anything like that. And you can see that it'll pop up down here, your collections in here. You can store from your SD or your cloud. It's up to yourself what you want to do. And basically that's how it's going to work in short. So I'll give you a demo of me coming up to the doorbell now next and show you that. And that'll pretty much wrap it up what's inside. Of course, we'll give you a taste of what the speaker sounds like from the camera itself as well on the outside, or the doorbell itself. So we're about to go out and do a sample, but the Tesco driver came himself to do his delivery, so I'll give you a sample of that here. And there you go. So as it's on the door, it's obviously going to show inside when you open it due to the angle it's at, but that'll just give you an idea. Now this is what the door is going to look like a day if you happen to come up to it. Let us know what it looks like. Hello, this is Jim, and this is what the doorbell is going to sound like if you happen to ring it and I answer it to you. So you can do this from at home or anywhere on the road. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video.